Hi everyone, these are the video instructions for your first assignment. I mentioned I would do a quick video. So the assignment is found under the assignment tab at the side, and this is the assignment. So you'll want to make sure you read it because most of your questions are likely answered by just looking at the assignment. Most of you have signed up in your groups, but if you haven't, please read this before you sign up, because if you sign up in the wrong group, it's going to mess up the groups and could take a few days for me to get into it to fix it. So please make sure that you read this before you and your group members sign up. The information is here, what you need to include in your research assignment. It's going to require you to have the actual aid. If you need it, please let me know and I will help you get it either in the clinic or I have it in my office. If you buy it, some students will buy it because it's just floss or a toothbrush or something fairly straightforward, but obviously if it's expensive, we don't expect you to buy it. It's nice if you can use the product for a bit to try and give your opinion on it. Your video will be 7 to 10 minutes long, and there is no written report. There is a PowerPoint or Prezi that will need to be in the background. So when you are complete, you will just see yourself in the corner and then the background will be your PowerPoint. And you can move the PowerPoint slides along as you go. You need to do a demonstration on screen of Dexter or a person if applicable. So you're going to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using now. You can't see my face because I chose screen only, but when you do your presentation, you'll need to choose both. So under this tab in assignments, there's a Screencast-O-Matic tutorial. If you hit that, it will open you up to here.
Welcome to Screencast-O-Matic, a fast, free, and easy to use.
And it's going to give you the tips and tricks for Screencast-O-Matic there. I've also posted a sample assignment right here.
Today we'll be teaching you and informing you about oral physiotherapy.
And it goes through
Prevent smell.
the whole presentation. So that's there for you to look at, not copy, and give you at least an idea of what the expectations are. So that's basically the assignment in a nutshell. Every group member is going to get the same mark, so make sure everyone is participating. Everyone should be seen and speaking in the video. There's a box here to tell you what to do in order, and if you do it in this order, everything should go well, but I have some highlighted things because some people don't read before they start and they can mess up the groups, so just please make sure you do that. And then after everyone's done and handed it in, which it is due in week 5, you're going to, sorry, I think it's actually due in week 6. You're going to upload it to Blackboard, and then it'll just be your link that you will upload because you will have uploaded your video to YouTube. You need to have a YouTube account. I will watch the video through YouTube. Blackboard can't support all the videos. And make sure it's not marked as private, or it will be private and I can't mark it. At the end of week 7, then there will be a journal page opened up that you will have a link to be able to answer these questions. It is a private journal page. The people that are in the other groups will not see this. And the idea is that you will watch 3 other presentations that are not your product, so you learn about other products. The topics are here and they're in Blackboard. If you go to groups in Blackboard, as it says right up here, enroll in a group, then you can choose one of the topics. They're all interesting topics, so none of them are better than the other, and you will need to know all of them by the end of the semester anyways. And then here's your rubric, which will be already included in the online submission where you're going to submit your link to me. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm just going to verify with my syllabus here when it is due because I have 2 different things and I want to make sure that I tell you the right thing. So I will correct it at the top here. It does say due week 5, but in the syllabus, as I mentioned in class, it is due week 6. So I will fix that and repost it, but in this video it will obviously say that. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to email me, but I do believe for the most part you should be ready to get going, and I look forward to your submissions.